Good morning. Coffee. 8:30. Been out here a while though. Just going up to temp for the research. What we doing? Brew day. Fucking hell, thank God. I've got to get my shit together. Cindy juice. I fucking love Cindy juice. Cindy baby, I love you. Okay, so I've done this before. First time I did this, it was a bit of a, as far as the grain bill goes, bit of a use up recipe, but it just turned out absolutely spot on. Well, I think it turned out absolutely spot on. I know Adam liked it, Baldy's homebrew. A few other people loved it, and Mick, Beanham Homebrew, he enjoyed it, and motherfucker brewing it all the time. He loves it. Although I think he puts a bit more Citra. So what's in it? 3 kilo of Golden Promise, 750 of Pilsner, 400 of wheat malt, 500 of oats, and 500 Carapils. Hoppage is 15 gram Citra firstly worty, 20 gram Citra 10 minutes, 25 gram Citra 5 minutes, 40 gram Citra flame out down to 80, stand for 20 minutes. In it, you'd like that blood. In it, I could be a gangster. In it, maybe not. What? Ever some ginger gangster? Ginger gangster. That didn't work, did it? Forget it. Sorry, I'll edit that out. And then dry hoppage at 4 days ish will be 100 gram of Citra. So in total, 200 gram of Citra pellet. Don't know what the alpha acids are, I haven't adjusted. I think on here it's 11 and I think they're 11.7 the harvest that I've got. Anyway, right, so coming up, I'll come back to it when there's something banging and exciting happening in the brew shed, innit? I just thought I'd add a little bit. I'm not doing the ins and outs of duck's ass with my equipment today. So if you're a bit of a perv and you would like to see my equipment and how I use it, I'll put one of them links. I've never used them card things before, you know, them, whatever they're called, YouTubey things, you know, that come in fucking here. Well, I'm going to put one up. I'm going to try and put one up to when, so you can see my equipment. Anyway, thank you very much. What else am I going to say? Oh, I'm mashing at 66 today. Might push it up to 67. Not sure yet. We'll see. It's all going well. Okay. Up to 77. It's actually gone a bit above. Why has it gone above? I don't know why it's gone above. Anyway, so it's just started moving over. So 15 grams Citra, 30 worty hoppy. I'm using my spider. First wort, yeah. Let that move over, bring it up to the boil. Not massive amounts to talk about. I'll come back to you towards the end of the boil. Unless I start drinking. No, it's only 10:15, I won't do that. See you in a bit. Okay. Exciting stuff. 10-minute edition. 20 gram of Citra. I've also got in here a Proflop. I've already put the immersion chiller in. Proflop, 20 gram of Citra and a teaspoon and a half of yeast nutrient. Go in here. Excellent. I shall give it a bit of a mix and I shall be right back. Wait for it. Not yet. Wait. Wait. Go. 5-minute edition. What have we got? 25 gram of Citra. Going in. 5 minute. 5 minute. Bloody brilliant. Gonna finish early today. Chill down to 80. Final hop edition. 40 gram of Citra. Guaranteed. 15-minute hop stand, 20-minute hop stand, and then chill. Job's a good one. I might come back, I might not. Alright, okay, here's the finished article. Cinder juice, I fucking love you. Oh, fuck, I actually snorted it. Right, let's try and get through this section of the video without swearing, Graham, shall we? Okay, so, reasonably clean. I've been fanning about with the kegerator. I've got, anyway, it doesn't matter. It's slightly over carbed, not a problem. I'll sort it out. I have bottled a couple of 3 of these up, so there's a few got out, a couple more to go out. So those of you that get it, hopefully you'll enjoy it and give me some feedback on it. Let's have a whiff. Yep, it's Citra, no doubt in that at all. I just fucking love Citra. In fact, I've just bought a kilo of Citra from one of our fellow brew tubers. Okay. Cheers guys, let's dive in. Oh. Isn't as good as the first one. It isn't as good as the first one. I need to be doing the, basically using a brewer's friend properly and putting the correct alpha acids in for the hoppage that I'm using. It's very nice. It's, you know, I've been drinking it. It's very nice. It's fine. But like with the majority of my last few beers, it's not too bitter, but it's more bitterer than I wanted it to be. No point looking at the recipe because the IBU was a bit fucked because I didn't make adjustments. So that's what I need to start doing, and I need to pretty much pull away from front end additions and sticking them all in at the back end. I also want to try doing some dry hopping in the keg as well, just to give me that fruit punch, less bitterness. But anyway, that's by the by. Let's crack on. Nice sweetness from the Golden Promise. Spot on. Yeah, it's perfectly acceptable beer. A nice summertime beer. I can't remember what the ABV is on this. About 5.7, I think, something like that. It's very acceptable. I just wish it wasn't quite so bitter. It's got US-05. I'm not sure if I said that in the recipe. I think I'm going to have a play with some other yeast as well. I know for this style of beer, you know, dried yeast is absolutely fine, but I'm going to have a play. I've got some up in the fridge. I'm going to make some starters and let's have a play. Well, I would say that's a success. Certainly not one of my better beers. Certainly not one of my worst. In fact, it's a lot better than the last few beers that I've put out because they've been substandard. Yeah, Citra. I do love you. Right, okay, I think I've babbled on enough about me own beer. As I said, I'll send a few out. So thank you very much indeed for watching another hapless grain to a belly videos. And I shall see you all soon. I have a number of grain to belly videos to follow in the next week or two. Plus lots of reviews that I still haven't got up. So bing bong, over and out. See you all soon. Oh, and by the way, if you don't subscribe to my channel, click the fucking link and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Because I'm going to become the next YouTube sensation. By this time next year, I intend to have 620 million subscribers. I'm going to quit my job. I'm going to become a multi-millionaire. Or not. But anyway, just fucking subscribe. See ya.